What are you guys eating?
Yeah.
What is that?
Lollipop.
What is it, Charlie?
Lollipop.
Is that a lollipop?
Lollipop.
Yeah, that's a good.
Bye.
Where did you get it?
Mommy.
No, you got it for yourself. Where did you get it? Remember last night? Where did we go? Remember you? Yeah, you wore. What did you wear when we went trick or treating?
A costume.
Yeah, what was your costume?
A long one.
Charlie, what was your costume?
Puppy.
What were you?
A puppy.
You were pupping? Yeah. Did you have fun? You like trick or treating? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. What about you, Marlo? What he said?
Unicorn.
Yeah, you are a unicorn. And what did people put in your bag?
Candy.
Yeah. How do you like the lollipop?
Good.
That's good.
I'm eating it.
Yeah? You gonna bite it? I'm glad you like it. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Okay, bye now.